Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Redmi runs a MIUI build that supports live wallpapers and that you're signed into your My account. Once that's set, connect to Wi-Fi to download any live wallpaper assets. Now open Settings and navigate directly to Wallpaper or Lock Screen Customization. You want to be in the right menu before proceeding. Do not waste time toggling unrelated options. Instead, tap Wallpaper, then choose Live or My Wallpapers. To begin selecting the Live option, you'll apply. Once you're in the Live Wallpaper section, pick the source. Built-in live options, the My Store, or a gallery video/GIF. You'll often need to convert a short MP4/GIF to a compatible live format. Use the built-in editor or My Live Wallpaper tool if prompted. Preview the effect specifically on the lock screen. Make sure motions, speed, and any audio behave as expected. When happy, tap Apply and select Lock Screen only, or both screens if you want the same wallpaper on home and lock screens. After applying, lock your Redmi and check the lock screen animation to confirm it's live. If it doesn't animate, first make sure battery saver is off or that the wallpaper app is allowed to run in background. MIUI may block live wallpapers to save power. Also check wallpaper permissions and auto start settings. If problems persist, reboot the phone, reapply the wallpaper, or reinstall the live wallpaper app. One quick troubleshooting tip: clearing the wallpaper app cache often fixes preview and apply failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.